Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn how to create bulk of videos in just 5 minutes with the help of Canva and ChatGPT. Now you don't have to need to waste the time to again and again making the video and editing it. Just do these steps and your 30, 35 and even 70, 80 videos are simply, you can say, bulk of videos can be generated easily in 5 minutes. So first of all, open the ChatGPT and give a prompt here, which I give a prompt here. Write a 30 motivational quotes and make two column, one for quote and one for author. It is your choice because I want to make a videos on the motivational quote, so I write that type of prompt. You can write the prompt according to your choice. So it will generate a 30 quotes along with author. I simply copy the alt text, select and copy, and I open an Excel file and paste it. You can see here I simply paste the all quotes here. Then when you have to save the file, file, save as, desktop, then change here the extension. Choose the extension CSV UTF underscore 8 and save it. Yes. Yes. Then close it, close the file, go back to Chrome and open a Canva. That right here, Instagram Reels. Just write the Instagram Reels. It will provide you a different designs of the Instagram Reels. Select the design according to your own choice. So wait for a while. Look that it provides many of the Instagram Reels designs. So you can choose the design according to your own choice. For example, select this. Click on that. Click on the customize this template. Wait for a while. Okay. Look that there are two options. So if you want only one, because I don't want that of them, so I will select and delete it because I just want to write a quote here, and drag it little bit and also edit the size. You can simply change the size. For example, I want here 64 because I want a readability of text. Then what you have to do next, click on apps. Here is the option bulk of videos here. Click on bulk create. It will ask you the option either you want to enter data manually or upload CSV. I want to upload CSV file because I generated it with the name course.csv. Open it. Continue. Wait for a while because it will definitely generate all the codes. Okay, now we have to connect the data to your element. So right click here, click on the three dots and look that all codes are imported successfully. That. So simply what you have to done next, click on the code, click on the three dots and there is an option connect the data. So click on connect the data. So here I already selected that. So select and the code will automatically import it in that file. Okay. Next, click on the continue. Now I have to generate bulk of videos. So just click on generate 29 designs. It will take a second and there will automatically create a bulk of videos, and each video will have a different code as you write different codes in that videos. We can see that first of all there is a believe you are a halfway in the next and so on. Even you can play that. If you want to animate the text, you can animate it according to your own choice. There is the option of animate. Click on it and just look that. So I hereby select this animation because I want that it will come slowly and slowly when the video will be played. So this one, look at next one. Even that you can increase the time of your video by dragging on it. Simply that. I drag it and now I will play that, and you can see it takes some time. So now just add the music behind these videos and you can create a bulk of videos in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.